sharing with you the newly opened SM City Molino Food Court, and yes, may view pa siya ng famous Great Wall of Bacoor. This food court actually opened last November 14. Hindi ako naka-attend ng opening since I didn't receive an invite. Kaya ngayon ko lang siya na-post. Honestly, okay din kasi mas konti ng tao and mas relax mag-ikot. Ang ganda nitong addition sa mall kasi isang place na lang ang dami mo ng choices. If you're craving for Japanese food, may Uichi by Hanakazu. For Korean food, andyan si Mr. Kimbab. For Chinese or Hong Kong dishes, may Gangji. For Thai food, andyan ang Taiwadi. Syempre for Filipino food, meron ding Salo at Taste of Joy. Gusto mo ng sizzling meals, may Steak Break, and Pepper Lunch is opening soon. Meron din Frutas, Los Churreros, Turks, Potato Corner, and marami pang iba. The area is spacious, maliwanag, at comfy kahit madaming diners, especially on a Sunday. We ordered our favorite Thai dishes, chicken and pork krapao. Parehong masarap, flavorful at satisfying. We also tried their pad thai and okay din siya. We'll definitely come back to try other stalls, especially yung mango sticky rice next time. And reminder lang, let's all practice clean as you go para mas enjoyable and dining experience for everyone. Ayun lang, thanks for watching. Bye!